Digital Overseas Voters ID Releasing. Ito po ang mga requirements natin. Registered Overseas Voter, Valid ID, Philippine Passport or Hong Kong ID, working email address. How to request? Scan yung QR code na yan. Wait for an email reply or inquire at counter 9 to 12 PCG 14th Floor United Center. Reminders, the consulate will not require you to send your personal information or IDs remotely for the release of your OV-ID. OV-ID will be released via email. Please make sure that the email address you provide is correct, active, and secure. For question or concerns, please email ov.hkpcg@gmail.com. Yan po. Ito po yung magiging itsura ng inyong voters ID. Pero doon sa mga matagal nang hindi nakaregister, hindi pa ngayon. Kasi December daw po ulit ang pagre-register sa mga voters. So, yung mga hindi naka-registered, hindi kayo makakaboto this year. Kasi sa December ulit ang pag-register para maging register voters kayo ay December para ulit. Yan. For your information. Kasi kaya inquire ko lang po dito sa consulate.